What's up, mate? Welcome back sa Mate Effect. For today's episode, gusto ko lang i-highlight yung latest na trade ni Mary Lou. Sa totoo lang, kilala na natin si Mary Lou eh. She's one of those students na consistent talaga mag-share ng journey niya. And yung recent trade niya, it's a classic example of how less is more in this game. So instead of overcomplicating the charts, Mary Lou kept it simple. She saw an opportunity on the 30-minute time frame and decided to take a swing trade. Isang entry lang, no multiple positions, no added stress. She just waited for the right setup and pulled the trigger. And the result, grabbing 2,000 pips. Ang pinaka-solid pa dito, yung 1:8 risk-reward ratio. Isipin niyo, controlled yung risk niya, pero ang laki ng naging payout. Hindi niya kailangan mag-scalp ng paulit-ulit o mag-stress sa bawat galaw ng market. She just trusted the process and let the trade work for her. Dito natin makikita na hindi paramihan ng trade ang labanan. It's about execution. Kasi minsan, tayo pa yung dahilan kung bakit tayo natatalo. Sa kaka-add ng positions or sa kakagulo ng plano. Meron prove that if you stick to your strategy and you manage your risk properly, yung market na mismo ang magbibigay ng reward sa'yo. Marami sa atin ang nagmamadali, yung gusto agad-agad, get rich quick. Pero si Mary Lou, she's patient. She treats trading as a business. She understands that, number one, quality over quantity. Mas okay na yung isang tama kaysa 10 basta-basta lang na trade. Pangalawa, consistency is the key. Hindi lang siya sumasali kapag win. She shares her process consistently. Less risk equals more peace of mind. Kapag alam mo na tama yung risk mo, mas madali mag-hold ng trade. That's why we love seeing these testimonies inside our community. Kasi hindi lang ito about the pips or profits. It's about seeing a fellow mate grow, stay disciplined, and finally reap the rewards of their hard work. Nakaka-inspire makita yung mga natutunan natin sa Mate Formula. Nagagamit nyo sa totoong laban. So mates, kung feeling nyo overcomplicated na yung trading nyo, maybe it's time to simplify. Go back to basics, manage your risk, and wait for the high conviction setup. Keep grinding, keep learning, and keep sharing your journey with us. Kita-kits sa next episode ng Mate Effect. Sa tingin mo, ano pinakamahirap na part para sa isang trader? Yung paghihintay ng tamang setup o yung pag-hold ng trade hanggang sa target?